Hello everyone. Very good morning. Are you able to hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we have 19. We have 34 people have registered, but we are still half of. No problem. Let's start. So see, last time we done percentage, right? Good morning, everyone. Is everyone there? Please respond when I'm asking something. Please. Your audio is open. Everybody's audio is open. Yeah, I know people are still joining. Last time we did percentage, right? So, no, why I'm asking this is because, see, as I told you, percentage is a very important and core topic. Why? Because we are going to use percentage in many topics, especially the shortcut that 1.1, 1.2, 0.9, 0.8, the shortcut or fast way of doing percentage change or percentage increase decrease. So, anybody any concept level question on percentage? Anybody has any concept level question in percentage? I told you three things. Concept number one, percentage. Concept two of percentage, and the golden rule. There is nothing else on the percentage. Is anyone any confusion, any doubt? Anyway, today when we do profit loss discount, we'll again use percentage. So you will have some kind of revision plus some practice. Okay, shall we start? Is everyone good to go now? We have 20 students. We'll join some more. Now, again I am saying, if you are not strong in percentage, start practicing. Okay, start practicing, because percentage will give you important advantage in many topics, including the arithmetic, and also later we do the different part of maths. Now, today focus is very simple. Today's focus is profit, loss and discount, and we are going to solve many different type of problems, writing from starting to the very difficult one, easy one to difficult one, plus key concepts and as well as some speed maths. And 2 hours is very good time to cover that a lot topic. And profit loss discount has only one concept. There is no much concept, only one concept. I'll tell you in a moment. First of all, whatever we used in percentage, that golden rule, very useful here. Remember what was our golden rule? We are going to use it again. I'll tell you how. But before that, see, I'll tell you where the confusion happened in percentage. People say, oh, it is CP, it is SP, it is MP, it is discount, profit, percentage, loss and all. Where to use what? There is no confusion. It's all in your mind. If somehow you can make this kind of diagram in your mind, then it will be super duper clear. For example, think one box is like this, think another box is like this. I'll tell you why this is important, because there is nothing else except these two relationship. If somehow you can get these two relationship, then it's very easy. Now, can anybody tell me what is, let me write here, how you define a cost price and selling price? Any one of you, unmute and tell me. Jyoti, good morning. Tell me quickly. Cost price, selling price. Everybody, audio is on. Yes.
सर जैसे हमने एक चीज खरीदी,
Correct.
वो होगी कॉस्ट प्राइस, और जो हमने बेची वो होगी सेलिंग प्राइस.
करेक्ट. कोई भी, सपोज ए आइटम इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड, वो उसका कॉस्ट हुआ तो कॉस्ट प्राइस. या फ्रॉम सपोज योर पर्सपेक्टिव, इफ यू आर बाइंग समथिंग, तुम कुछ खरीद रहे हो तो उसका कॉस्ट हुआ, उसको अगर बेच रहे हो तो सेलिंग प्राइस. करेक्ट. कॉस्ट प्राइस, सेलिंग प्राइस, विल कॉल इट सीपी एंड एसपी. Who will explain you what is profit and loss in respect to CPSP? What is profit, what is loss? Anyone? Quickly, guys. This is a simple thing. We are going to do a lot of questions. This is the starting. What is profit, what is loss? Obviously, जब आपका सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट प्राइस से ज्यादा होगा तो ऑब्वियसली प्रॉफिट होगा. सपोज आपने कोई 100 रुपीज में खरीदी और 120 में बेची. You bought in 120, you buy in 100 rupees, you sell in 120. तो सेलिंग प्राइस ज्यादा हुई, राइट? तो इट इज प्रॉफिट नेचुरल. अगर सेलिंग प्राइस कॉस्ट से कम हुआ तो लॉस, राइट? प्रॉफिट व्हेन selling price is more than CP. Basic concept. Loss when selling price is lesser than cost price. I think everybody knows this. There is not a big deal about it. So what you have to understand is one simple thing. What you have to understand is one very, very simple thing. CP, let me write here. CP and SP. Or let me put like this. CP here. Let me put one more box. See, it's all relationship between three variables. It's all about relationship between three variables, nothing else. Let me put like this. More easy to understand. तो एक बॉक्स सीपी का हो गया, एक बॉक्स एसपी का हो गया. The only relation between CP and SP is profit and loss, nothing else. There is nothing else come between CP and SP. CP और SP आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं सिर्फ लॉस और प्रॉफिट के हिसाब से. SP ज्यादा हुआ तो प्रॉफिट हो गया, SP कम हुआ तो लॉस हो गया. ठीक है. कॉस्ट प्राइस, सपोज ये मोबाइल है, इट इज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड 40,000. तो कॉस्ट इज 40,000. You bought it 50,000. For me, the selling price 50,000. But now I'll bring one more thing, which is known as marked price, MP, market price. So tell me, anybody on audio, not on chat. See, there are so many names of marked price, so many names. You will not believe, so many names. Marked price, market price, list price, tag price, label price. Showroom price, display price, there are so many. Display price, label, there are so many. Showroom price, there are so many names. We'll call it MP, marked price. You know what is marked price? Anybody can explain what is marked price? Any one of you? Yes.
MRP.
MRP also. What is that actually?
The price, the highest price at which the product can be sold.
Okay. Yeah, that is what you call MRP, maximum retail price. But the concept here is marked price or level price. For example, this mobile again. I marked that rupees. Suppose I put a tag or label or slip or marked it, say 50,000. There is a marked price of this. Yes, maximum price 50,000. Now, say Diwali offer or New Year offer. I say 10,000 or 10% discount. Suppose 10% discount. So 50,000 is a marked price. 10,000 is a discount. So you will buy in less than 50,000 or more than 50,000. Obviously, discount. You will remove from the price. Discount. Don't count. Discount means don't count. Discount. 10% to 10,000. So we'll subtract 10,000 from that. And 50,000 might have 40,000. What is that 40,000? It is selling price. I am a shopkeeper. I marked it 50,000 this mobile. I say, okay, the marked price for MP is 50,000. No, some offer is going on, some discount. So 10,000 discount less. The 40,000. What is this 40,000? It is selling price. So why I am explaining you this? Because there are so many people who get confused. There is no relation between CP and MP. The only relation between this is SP and MP. There is nothing else. And they both are related with the discount. If this diagram which I made here, if it stuck in your mind, that is what you need. Other this is all apart from everything is percentage. CP and SP, two blocks. Their relationship only between profit loss. No discount coming between. CP, SP. SP and MP, selling price, mark price. The only relation between them is discount. CP doesn't come into picture at all. ये mark, इसको मैंने MRP 50,000 बोला, discount दिया, it becomes the SP for this. There is no CP at all. You are buying it, but no, I am selling it. It's a reference. Clear what is the relationship? We are going to solve problems, we are going to understand, but the point is, in your mind, this should be 5 parameters. CP, SP, MP. CP, SP relationship is profit loss. SP, MP relationship is discount, nothing else. Ask me any question on the relationship. We are going to solve question, but this should be clear in mind. Suppose this pen I marked as rupees 10. Listen carefully. Suppose write on chat, I'll say this pen I marked at rupees 10. And you are buying it in rupees 8. Tell me what is 10 and what is 8? CP, SP or MP, write it. Write it, CP, SP, MP, what it is. This pen I am marking at rupees 10 and you are buying it, or I am selling it or you are buying it in rupees 8. Tell me what is CP, SP, MP, right? On chat everyone. MP 10, SP 8, Daman says, okay. Everybody else. It's a very important basic concept. Right, Abhijit. Everyone please write. That will give you the overall idea about how we're going to solve this question. And we are going to solve many, many difficult questions. This is the easy part of it. Keep writing everyone very quickly. Because the problem is only when word problem is then, array sir, what is given what? That's the point. Oh sir, is it FP, CP, what discount? No. That's why mind should be very clear. CP, SP, SP, MP. Okay? Everyone write fast please. 10 is the mark price. And 8 is the selling price. It is not at all cost. In mark price, cost doesn't come. Cost is always with the only cost is with the product CPSP, profit loss. So this block and this block. Okay. So first, in the first half an hour, 1 hour, we'll put more focus on this too. First half an hour. Next half an hour, we'll put more focus on this too. And last, we'll do all these three together. Okay, everybody? This now. Now tell me, I told you golden rule of percentage. Can anybody tell me what was the golden rule I told you percentage? Any one of you? I explained you golden rule of percentage, right? What was that? Any one of you? We done percentage so much, like last time. Concept number 1, concept number 2, and the golden rule. We said this, right? Remember? Yes.
New value minus old value divided by base.
Correct. New value minus old value by base. Right? And I told you this is going to be useful everywhere. Every topic we are going to use this concept. Into 100. Everybody agree? Not old or base, I will say, right? Now listen, there is only one concept in the... This was the rule everybody knows, right? Whether it's percentage change or error or increase or decrease or profit or loss, right? Same thing. So no go in the same rule we can use for profit loss. How? percentage profit or loss. Profit or loss. It is not divided by. It is always given by. Now tell me, profit and loss are related with which? CP, SP or MP? Out of the three parameters, CP, SP and MP, which are related with profit and loss? Only CP, SP, right? So in the numerator, it will be always difference between these two. Either SP minus CP or CP, does not matter. Difference of the two. Correct? Now, the only rule, I'll write in the red here. The only rule with profit loss is, you write down, because believe me, when you write down also, you will do a mistake. So understand, only one rule in profit loss. Base is always CP. In profit loss, base is always CP. Does not matter what type question it is. Unless question says, no, select base as SP, otherwise. Base is by default always CP, always. And that is the only one concept we have. So this becomes your CP. Concept is same. As difference of the two value, new minus old, or CP minus SP. Base is CP, that's it. Only one concept. Base is always CP. Write down your notebook. In any profit loss question, base will always be CP. And don't forget that. So we'll start with a very, very basic question and then we'll increase the level. So I'll give you one very, very simple and fast way of doing CP-SP problem. We are going to do 4 problems and you understand the magic how CP-SP can become so easy. Let me put a 4 block here. CP, SP. Listen very carefully now. Very easy oral question. Suppose CP is given for some item as say CP is given as say 1000 rupees 1000. Profit say 20%. Remember our percentage thing. 20% is what factor? Remember I told you 1.1, 1.2, 0.8, 0. What is 20? Profit is plus thing or minus thing? Profit is a plus thing or minus thing? Plus thing. So profit would be 120% means what? What are the factor? 1.2, right? We done the Vedic math. We have done so much speed maths. So profit 20% means 1.2 up. So your SP will be nothing but whatever CP is there into 1.2. Direct. No need of doing any other. No formulas. No formulas at all. You find SP, whatever CP into up factor. That's it. Direct. Because we know profit is a plus thing. This I tell you the concept. You will never forget. No formulas. Profit is a positive thing. Loss is a negative thing. So SP will be whatever your CP is there into the factor. Right. So 1200. And if I say instead of profit, if I make it loss, what is the factor 20% loss means? What the loss means? 0.8. $800. What is the main point? So SP is, you define SP, it's all about percentage. So it is profit up, loss down. That's it. Tomorrow, even if I change this question, if I say, suppose, listen very carefully. If I say my CP was say 600, okay, my profit was 30%, okay, CP is 600. What should be this factor? 30% profit. What is the factor? 30% up means what? 1.3. That's it. $780, right? See, what I'm trying to tell you is, it's all about factor. Up or down. Same percentage, nothing else. Whatever doing percentage, we are doing same thing here. Right? Similarly, suppose here I change. Say my CP was 800 and say loss was 10%. What the 10% loss means what? Up or down? Right. Correct? No M1, M2. It is 780, na? 600. No M1, M2. 780, right? 600 only, not 6,000. Okay, so numbers are okay. Point is, when a profit is there, it's up. When the loss is there, it's down. Same percentage concept. Got everybody? Mute, please, mute. Now, see the reverse part. See, CP was given. Listen very carefully. CP was given. If we do reverse, and we are going to do a lot of practice before we go to actual word problem. If it is reverse, SP is given, say 800, and say loss 20%. 20% factor means what? Is it 1.2 or 0.8? 20% loss. It is 0.8 should be correct. And everyone should write it. We've done the percentage so much, right? 20% loss. So 0.8. So we have to find out CP. It would be 800 by 0.8. Why by? Because see, if you see the golden thing, SP is CP into factor. CP will be SP by factor. Normal, right? Basic case. There's nothing big deal, right? Because SP would be, see here, SP is, let me write here. SP is, let me write on top of the, so that you understand why we are doing this. It is not a formula, it's a thinking concept. Because for every question, let me write it here somewhere. SP is CP into factor. CP would be what? Always by SP by factor, right? The factor is that 1.2, 1.3, 2.2, right? All those, right? So that is the concept. CP is the base. So either into factor or by factor. We will always use that for every question. So my CP is nothing but 800 by 0.8,000. Or even if I give a question, SP is 1200 or 1100. Profit is 10%. What will be factor? 1.1. Sure, Mudit Maitreya. Profit is 10%. So, what would be CP now? Would be my SP by 1.1. There is only one concept, guys. SP is CP into factor. That's it. Now tell me everybody, we are going to do 20 questions very fast. I can give any 4 type. Out of the 3 parameters, CP, SP and profit loss. If 2 are known, can you find third or not? Is everybody okay? We're going to do practice now and then we are going to do word problem a lot. First because in any question, if CP is given, profit is given. CP is given, loss is given. Profit is given, SP is given. Can you find a third one or not? Golden thing is SP equal to CP into factor. That's the only thing required. Take a screenshot of this if you want. That is your notes now. Take a screenshot of this. That is your notes now. That is more than enough to solve any calculation of profit loss discount, profit loss and CPSP. Okay. Now I am going to ask you 10 questions and then we are going to do word problem. Start. Tell me everybody. CP is 2000. Loss is 10%. Tell me very fast SP, everyone, within 5 seconds. Because all the questions will require this. I don't want that method you find 10%, 20%, add, subtract, that is too old. Every one of them. So SP will be obviously CP into the factor loss 10%, 0.9. So 1800. Good. Mute everybody, mute please. CP is 600. No, CP is 5000. Arey mute guys, noise. Everybody should be on mute unless is required. Profit. Profit is, say profit is 30%. What is SP? Find out. I'll just come in 1 minute. Find out. I'll come in a second, okay?
So I don't understand. Hello, sir.
Okay. So 5000 CP, profit 30%, profit 30% means what? For the factor 1.3.
So I don't understand.
What you don't understand? You were in my percentage class, right?
How to solve?
So guys, listen everybody. You were there in my percentage class, right, Rishabh? Or who is it? Mudit?
No, math.
Maitreya, you were there in my percentage class last time, right? So SP is nothing but 5,000 into what is profit percent means? 35 means what?
30%. 1.3.
We were there earlier last class, okay? So whatever method you're getting it, this is extra class for you, okay, Maitreya? So what you are getting it, that's okay. Otherwise, just listen what I'm saying, okay, everybody? Maitreya, this is speed maths. Please mute. Please. Abhijit, lot of noise. Anybody, any question? My question is, if I give you two parameters, can you find third one or not? You can find out. Let's check 5 questions very quickly. Suppose if I give SP equal to 8,000 and suppose say loss 20%. Just tell me what into what or what divided by what. Don't solve it. What would be CP? Don't solve it. Yeah, the way Pandya said, right? Last question. SP equal to, just tell me that. SP by pointed. Good, Shubhi. Everybody. CP would be SP by factor. And Siddharth, you have to write factor also. No, Abhijit. No, not like that. See how Shubhi wrote. CP would be SP by factor pointed. That's it. Correct. If I say SP is 12,000, profit is 24%. What would be CP? Again, write the same way because it's all about concept. Calculation you can do at home. And everyone, if you doubt, ask me. The concept doubt, not the calculation part. Calculation you can do at home. Okay. So clear? CP and SP are related only with profit and loss, nothing else. Good. And if I give you both CP and SP, say CP is 600, SP is say 900. Is it profit or loss? Just write me profit or loss. Profit. So profit percent would be, remember what is the golden rule? Profit percent, loss percent will be difference of the two value. So difference of two value is 900 minus 600, 300. What with the base? What with the base? Shubhi, speak out. Base will always be
600, so CP.
CP. In every question, base is only CP into 100. So calculate do at home, but point is, any question of profit percent or loss percent, numerator will always be the difference of two values. That's it, always. Base is always CP. Does not matter, any case. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Next. CP is 8,000. SP is 6,000. This time you calculate and find the profit or loss and how much percentage. Very fast, everybody. This is a preparation for you for next level questions. Profit and loss, profit or loss, and how much percentage. Find out, everybody. First of all, tell me, is it profit or loss? SP is less, loss. How to find loss percentage? Difference of the two value. Does not matter. Difference of 8,000, 6,000 is 2,000. What should be the base? Base is always CP and then solve it. 25% loss. 25% loss. Simple. If I tell you SP is 10, CP is 5, profit or loss, then how much percent? Mudit and Maitreya, I explained starting. Very clearly I explained Mudit and Maitreya. I said, and it is a common sense. Profit is when selling price is more. Correct everybody? Mudit? Selling price is more, profit. Selling price is less, loss. That's it. If selling price is more than cost price, it is profit. If selling price is less, it is loss. So here what is more? Selling price is more or cost price is more? Selling price is more, so profit. Difference of two value, 10 minus 5, 5. Base is CP, 5. 100%. 100% profit. Last question before we move on to word problem. If I say SP is 800, CP is 1000, loss or profit, and how much percentage? Tell me everybody quickly. How much percentage, and is it profit or loss? Shubhi says loss, Daman says loss. How much it is? Sajna Devi, why it is loss?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Because selling price is lower than
Selling price is lower than, so loss. How to find percentage loss? Numerator is
Uh,
always
SP minus CP
correct,
is
200. What is the
divided by
base?
CP.
Always in 200.
100.
So 20% loss. Thank you. Is
Thank you.
everyone crystal clear? This is the basis we are going to use in every question. Crystal clear how to find out? Write quickly guys, CC your doubt very quickly. No, I'm not going to do normal question ki CP is this, SP is this, find out. That you know already. We'll do little more different question. If I say cost price of 12 books is same as selling price of 10 books. Listen very carefully. We are going to solve the question, but first understand the concept. Cost price of 12 books is same as selling price of 10 books. Profit or loss? How much percent? No, I will solve this. But first of all, apply our common sense. Is it profit or loss? Cost price of 12 books is same as selling price of 10 books. Is it profit or loss? Everybody should be on mute, please. Some people say profit, somebody say loss. Now, how to find out? If you cannot read from the question, then apply the basic concept. See the magic now, what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do now. First of all, profit or loss, how much percent? No, it's a cost price of 12 books is same as selling price of 10 books. We don't know cost price, we don't know selling price. We don't know. Can we assume something? Equal to, assume any number in the world. Believe me, it's not 100, not 10, not 20. Assume any number in the world. Say 60. Suppose say 60. Now tell me everybody, tell me Daman, if cost price of 12 books is 60, what is CP of one book? If cost price of 12 book is 60, what is CP of one book?
5.
Common sense, 60 by 12,
5.
right everybody? Yes. CP of one book would be 5, 60 divided by 12. Good. So this is gone. Now tell me, this is same as selling price of 10 book. If selling price of 10 books is 60, because question said they are same, 60 only. Tell me everybody, if selling price of 10 book is 60, what is selling price of one book? Correct? 10 book 60, one book. So selling price one book would be 6. Now can you tell me profit or loss? You have selling price, cost price of one book. Can you tell profit or loss now? Yes, direct. We know SP is more, so it is profit. So when you have to compare, the number of books should be same. So for one book, cost is 5, one book, selling is 6. Profit. So profit. So how to find profit percent? Numerator is difference of the value. 6 minus 5, 1. What is the base? CP, 5. Percentage means 100. You will say 20% profit. And believe me, this question takes 10 seconds orally. 10 seconds. No big deal. Cost price of 12 book is same as selling by 10 books. Profit or loss? 20% profit. Clear everyone? The speed maths. And these are the important questions for exams. Let me change the question now. Is everyone okay on this? If I say, suppose I change the question now. Of 20 book is equal to of 30 books. Tell me, is it profit or loss now? Tell me now, is it profit or loss and how much? Everybody try it out. I'll wait. Everyone should try. First of all, is it profit or loss? How do you know? Again, we'll find out for 1. So, CP of 20 books. You can assume anything. Say this time I'll assume say 600. I just assume something. 600. Or 60 only. Does not matter actually. If CP of 20 book is 60, what is CP of one book? Rupees 3. 60 divided by 20, rupees 3, correct? Similarly, if SP of, question says SP of 30 books is 60. Why I am taking again 60? It says it is same. So SP of one book, 60 divided by 32. Now tell me, CP is 3, SP is 2. Profit or loss? Everybody knows now. Loss. Loss percent is CP by SP or difference of two value. 3 minus 2, 1. What should be the base? Kiran Kumar, base would be always CP. CP is 3. 1 by 3 into 100. 33.33% loss. Tell me, easy or difficult? Does it take more than 10-15 seconds? 33.3% loss. Too easy. Now you will solve one question before we move on to different type. Cost price of, say, $16. Books is same as selling price of. You assume any number, I don't mind. Solve everybody. And you get this kind of question. Solve everybody, please. Everybody find out the final answer in percentage, profit or loss, and how much. Every one of you. It's too easy, just you require concept. Right, everybody? Okay, 16 and 12. 16, 12, 30, 48. Assume 48. It will be too fast. You can assume any number. You can assume 100, 200, 20, 10, X, Y, Z, doesn't matter. Can anybody tell me why I'm assuming like number like 60, 20, 40, not 100? Shubhi, you know it. Most of you know it. Why we are assuming numbers like not 100 or X or Y? LCM of both numbers. Because I don't want fraction, I don't want decimals. Simple integers. So I need some number which can be divided by both this. That's it. So everybody write answer please. So we'll assume this equal to, suppose, say how much? Say 48. Just to make it simple. Suppose assume 48. Write M1. That's why we are not using 100. So we assume 48. So tell me what will be CP of one book then? 48 by 16. CP is 3. Rupees 3 for one book. What is SP of one book? 48 by 12. Tell me profit or loss? Profit. How much percentage? 4 minus 3, 1. Base is always CP3 into 100. 33.33% profit. That's it. If everybody is okay on it, clear, right? GTG, we are going to move to different question. Every one of you, please. Or ask me the question. Only one choice. Either ask me the question or say GTG. You are ready on the next type question. Each one of you. Easy question, you know, I am not doing that now. Let's start next question now. Okay. Next question is, let me open my book. Now tell me this. So first of all, find out his gain or percentage. Is it any gain or loss or no gain, no loss? Everybody check whether there is a gain or a loss or no gain, no loss. Alok, ask me doubt.
Hello.
Yes, Alok.
Hello. Sir, can you listen me? Hello.
Yes, yes, I am able to hear you.
सर इस क्वेश्चन है कि सर कोई अगर बड़ा नंबर होगा जैसे 12 टू 3 डिजिट या 4 डिजिट में दे दिया सीपीएसपी तो उसमें
देखो,
ये
listen,
उसमें कैसे होगा सर?
Alok,
हाँ सर.
objective is not about HCF, LCM. See, this is a shortcut I am telling, right? Otherwise, usual method anyway, assume X or 100, doesn't matter, right?
Yes sir.
So it depends upon you how much LCM you can find out. It's
Okay
not
sir.
mandatory कि हमें हमको वही करना है. If you say 568, 486.
Yes
See,
sir.
why we are doing HCF? Why we are doing HCF or LCM? To make it easy for you, correct?
Yes sir.
अगर easy नहीं हो रहा है तो मत करो.
Okay sir.
Shortcut for you. Assume 100. Assume 568 बुक का 100 कॉस्ट है, तो एक बुक का कितना हुआ? 100 by 568. SP
Okay
कितना
sir.
हुआ? 100 by something. That's it. No,
Okay.
बात वही है. We are doing it easy, but don't make it tough. Concept
Okay sir.
correct?
Okay
Whatever
sir.
number you're taking it, you assume some number. अगर LCM डायरेक्ट आता है तो वो करो, नहीं तो 100 मानो, X मानो. In every case you get the same answer. That's it.
Okay, thank you sir.
Okay, thank you. So a vendor sells 2 items. Is it gain? Is it loss or no gain, no loss? M1 says gain, Maitreya says gain, Shubhi says gain. M1, how much time you write? Gain 1%. What about others? Is it gain? Is it loss? Is it no gain, no loss? A vendor sells 2 items for rupees 99 each. On one he gained 10%, on one he lost 10%. Overall he got gain or loss or no percent, no gain, no loss. Let's see. I'll solve it for you. Very, pay attention, guys. This I'll solve you. Next you will solve it. Okay? No gain, no loss. Okay? Say item 1. Item 2. Okay? Say here. Acha, tell me now everybody. A vendor sells 2 items, rupees 99 each. This 99 is CP or SP? Tell me on chat very quickly. Is 99 rupees SP or CP? SP, right? SP. So SP is 99 here also. Here also. Let me write total also here, just for your reference. Total. What is total SP of both the item? Total selling price of both the item is 99 plus 99, right or not? Clear until now? Now, say first item is loss. Loss 10%. Second item has, say, gain 10%. We can assume reverse also, does not matter. Okay? Now tell me, if you know SP, you know loss and gain. Can you find CP or not? Tell me the first case. If SP is 99, loss is 10%. What will be CP? The factor wala thing. 99 by what? 10% loss. Agree? We done this already. 99 by 0.9 is 110. The cost price of the first item is 110. Let's find for second item also. 99 SP by gain of 10%, 1.1. The CP of the second item is 90 rupees. Tell me what is the total for CP? Total CP of item 1 plus item 2. 110 plus 90, 200. Now tell me everybody one thing. SP is 198, cost is 200. Loss or profit? See, I am telling you concept, otherwise method is easy. SP is 198, CP is 200. Loss or profit? Loss. Loss percent. What is loss percent concept? Difference of the two value. 200 minus 198. 2. So what should be the base now? Base is always CP. CP is 200. One % loss. Got everybody? 1% loss. Now please ask me or first tell me why we are not getting no loss, no gain, because 10% gain, 10% loss. So overall why it is not 0? Who will explain me? Anybody on audio?
So,
Yes, please.
so because when we divide 99 by 0.9, the value is different. And when we divide 99 with gain, that is 1.1, the value is different.
You are
So
right,
it is,
Shubhi. You are right, Shubhi. That is the maths part. You are correct.
yes, sir.
But what is the, yes, that is the mathematics part. But when you read the first question, if vendor sells something for 99 each, on one gain 10%, loss 10%. 10% यहाँ भी 10% वहाँ भी. So gain or loss, why it is not cancelling each other, why it is not 0? You are right in mathematics perspective, correct.
The base
How to
changes.
make it more simple, yes.
The base changes.
Base changes. Or the best thing is, the best way I explained you so many times, what is the SP given, right? Profit and loss is never on SP, correct? You 10% दिया है. You 99 is the SP or CP? 99 is the SP.
SP.
SP पे थोड़ी गेन काउंट करते हैं हम लोग. तो we cannot say 99 दिया 10 गया 10 गया, नहीं. Concept एक ही लाइन का आंसर है, because profit and loss is always calculated on CP. यहाँ पे SP दिया है. People get confused here. People say, अरे सर 0 होना चाहिए, because SP. That is the common mistake. Shubhi, you are right. Alok, you are right. Because divide हो रहा है, because base is the CP. Got everybody? Base CP होता है, हमको यहाँ पे SP दिया है. So don't think like 99 दिया है तो 10% up हो गया, 10% down हो गया. 10% of not 99. 99 तो SP है. SP का कभी नहीं निकालते हम लोग. Clear है? Is everyone clear? If you are clear, before I move on, change this. If I change this question to 20%, will the answer change? If yes, how much it is? Or it is 0? I change the loss, both gain and loss to 20%, not only one, sorry. Both. Will the answer change now? I don't want the numbers. I just want whether this time it will gain loss or again loss only. Again loss only. Right, Pandya? Because फिर से वो SP दिया है, your SP will be lower than the CP. Correct. Calculation part you can do at home. 99 by 0.8, 99 by 1.2. That's it. Any question, anyone? Now I am going to move on to discount because we are going to do all the question together. Is it clear? CPSP concept? Now if I say a TV was marked at rupees 60,000, New Year discount 20%. At what price you can buy? Find out. It's oral question. Find out, everybody. It's oral question. First of all, फिर से वही है 20% डिस्काउंट जो प्राइस तुम खरीदोगे वो कम ही होगा, राइट, एंड वी कॉल दैट एसपी। तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, एमपी इज गिवन एज 60,000, डिस्काउंट इज 20%. For discount, concept is for discount, base is always MP. डिस्काउंट तो मार्क प्राइस में मिलता है, राइट, सीपीएसपी में डिस्काउंट कभी नहीं मिलता है, डिस्काउंट इज ऑलवेज ऑन द मार्क प्राइस. So 20% you find out of this one and that will become SP. The SP will be 60,000 minus discount. 20% of 60,000, 12,000, 40th. और डायरेक्टली करना हो तो 60,000 into discount is less again, right? Speed maths. 20% less means 0.8. 60,000 into 0.8. Whichever way you do. Either you speed maths or this way. Everything is fine. Correct? So SP and MP are related with discount. Discount में से minus करोगे तो you get the SP. If I do a simple way of doing it, suppose if I say MP is 800, discount is 200, what will be SP? Many people get confused. What is SP? Is it 600 or 1000? Will SP will be 1000 or will SP will be 600? SP would be less than this. Right? If I say SP is 1200, discount is 200, what would be mark price? Tell me everybody on chat. It looks easy, but we know many people make mistake. What is mark price? Write everyone, please. I'll comment in the end. Will it be 1000 or will it be 400? Is everyone feel it is 1400? No one feel it is 1000 rupees? Everyone, right? Because SP would be always less than the discount. Correct. Now tell me, discount is 0, then what? Then your SP and MP will be equal. That's it. I'll ask a simple question, okay? Let's see how many we can do that. An item was marked at rupees 1000 and 20% discount was, listen very carefully, was offered. Cost of the item was rupees 600. What is profit or loss percent? Can you find out? That's right. Now we are mixing the three things together. See, if your mind is too clear, this is CP, this is MP, SP in between. Here it is profit loss, here is discount. Then no doubt at all. Any question in the world you can do. Any question in the world. Everybody write down, please. Keep writing, everybody. Everyone, each one of you, please. Hiram Patil, how shall we solve this?
The cost price is 600. To find the selling price, first we would
CP is
take
600.
1000
What is 1000 given?
mark price,
Correct. We'll find out for
and
SP.
for
How will find SP?
so 1000 into 0.8.
Wow, my way of doing. So SP is 800, right?
Yes.
Now we got SP. Now we can find profit. Correct?
Yes.
Profit is SP minus CP or CP. Difference of the two value, 200. And base is
800 minus 600 upon 600.
perfect. So 33% profit. Good. Superb, Hiram. Understood, everybody?
Yes,
It's all
sir.
mind. What is given, what is required. In the mind, the 3 blocks should be there. Any doubt? Shall I do one more difficult question now? Little bit difficult. An item whose cost is rupees 300 has to be sold in 20% profit after 10% discount. What shall be its market price? Try this. Or make it okay. Make it 20%. So that easy to calculate. Sorry, I changed it, Pandya. You can try again. Again, what I want is just the concept. If you're very clear about CP, SP, MP, profit loss discount, the concept wise, easy question. So first what we'll do is CP is given as 300. Profit is given as 20%. Discount should be required is again 20%. MP we need to find out. Correct? Now discount and MP are separate thing. Forget it. If these two things are there, can you find SP or not? So tell me only SP. If CP is 300, profit is 20%. What is SP? Just tell me that. Everybody knows SP would be 300 by 20% profit into 1.2. 360 is SP. Everybody knows that. So we got SP is 300. No, SP is 360. Sorry, 360. And discount offer is 20%. MP will be more or less? More. So MP would be SP 20% discount 0.8. Whatever you get here is the your MP. Whatever you get 3600 by 8. 8 4 32, 36 32, 48 5 40, 40. Concept is that first of all we find from those two things SP, which everybody knows. If SP is this, discount is this. What is MP? You know how to find out. Again, your MP is, or SP is given by same concept, mark price into the factor, right? The discount factor. That's the concept, right? The factor. Discount means less, 0.8 less. That's it. Concept is same. MP has to be more than the SP. Any question, anyone? Are you wondering where you get this from? No, right? So calculation part you can do at home. I'm not worried about. My point is this clear? This point. Let's try one more question on this.
Sir,
Yes, please.
so here the discount is given 20%, right?
Correct.
So for that, if we'll apply discount in for 360, the answer will be 288.
Is
No?
it 20% of 360? That's a discount. Is what is the base for discount always?
Okay.
Should be, that is a very key important, very important point. That's why only two concepts should be in this whole profit loss. For profit loss, what is the base?
CP,
For discount, what is the base?
MP.
That's it.
Okay.
But when you say 20% 360, no, 360 is not the SMP, right?
Okay,
That is the
sir.
only concept. Okay, Subi?
Okay, sir.
Believe me, if you just focus on those two things, you will not do anything wrong.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me change this question with numbers. Let's try everybody again, okay? An item whose cost is rupees, say 800 was, okay, let me remove all this first. An item whose cost is rupees 800 was sold in 20% loss. After, let me think, okay? Can you find out this, guys? Solve everybody this now. So how shall we do this? Just the concept. Shivam, how should we approach this? Step by step. What is
Sir.
800?
Sir, cost price.
Correct. Loss.
Loss 20%.
If CP and loss are given, can you find SP or not?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, CP into factor, that is 0.8.
CP is 800, loss is
And
20%, SP would be
640.
correct, right? No doubt, everybody, anybody on this? 640 is the SP. Good. We done the one part of it. Now discount is 50%. Now before calculating, Shivam, will the MP will be more than SP or less?
Sir, MP will be more.
Always more, right?
Yes, sir.
If discount is 50%, what would be SP? 640.
640 divided by 0.5.
50%. Very good, Shivam. 1280.
12.
Guys, don't get 320 because that's why I'm asking the common sense question first. I am telling if your SP is 640, MP will be more or less. And Shivam said, sir, it is more. Common sense. Because selling price would be lesser than MP. MP will be more. Then only you get discount. Right, Shivam? That's why answer will be more than 640. So don't apply maths. Apply a little bit of logic. Thank you, Shivam. So that's it. Any question, anyone? See, maths is all about applying little bit of logic, little bit of thinking more. Not formula. I don't believe formulas. Formula will teach you. Concept will not teach you. Right, Maitreya? Maitreya, 640 by half. You calculate. Calculation part, Maitreya, Mudit. Calculate, do at home. Don't worry about calculation. This calculation do at home. Okay? 640 by half. 2 goes up. That's it. But do you understand why about 0.5? 50% discount, 0.5. 60%, 30%, 20%. We already learned all those, right? Anyone, any question on this, concept-wise? Please ask me now. Anybody, any question, ask me now. No doubt. Let's try this. We are going to solve many questions now. Try this. Yeah, Mudit, Maitreya, very easy. 50% means half. So 640 divided by half. So 2 go in the numerator. That's it. Very good, Mudit, Maitreya. Next. Market price of certain item is rupees 400 and it's sold at 20% flat discount. No, last 30 minutes, I am going to give higher level. Okay? Be ready. We are going to increase the level now. Easy part is done. So, I know some of you may feel difficult, but that's fine. Because now we have to go to higher level, as always. Siddharth Patil, explain very quickly. MP 400. Discount 20%. Selling price we have to find out. Anyway, vendor is no garage cost price doesn't make sense. So it is direct. SP would be MP into 20% discount 0.8. So 320. That's it. Right, Siddharth? Yes, that's it. Anybody, any question, ask me. I am going to move on now. In next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, we are going to do difficult questions fast. Okay? Next. What profit percent is made by selling article at a certain price if by selling at 2/3 of that price there would be loss of 20%? Tell me how you solve this, guys. What profit percent is made by selling article at certain price? If by selling at 2/3 of that price, there would be loss of 20%. I'll explain you the step by step. Listen every word very carefully. Let's say, listen very carefully, very easy. Let's say that certain selling price, we can assume anything, guys, say is rupees 300. Now, why I'm saying 300, you know why? Because we need 2/3, right? So I assume 300. You can assume 100 also, 20 also, 20 also, does not matter. Say that certain SP is 300, okay? Selling at 2/3 means 2/3 of 300. 2/3 of 300 is how much? 200. It means SP is 200 and loss is 20%. Now tell me, if SP is 200 and loss is 20%, can you find CP or not? Tell me what would be CP? If SP is 200 and loss is 20%, what would be CP? 200 by loss 20%. What is the factor? $250 is the CP. Agree, everybody's basic concept. Now tell me, if CP is this, and if it sells at that price, if this is SP, and if this is CP, what would be the percentage profit? If CP is this, SP is this, what would be the gain? Percentage profit. Golden rule, Siddharth, right? So percentage profit would be numerator is always the difference of the two. 300 minus 250. 300 minus 250. 50. What's with the base? CP, always 250 into 100. 20% profit. Easy or difficult? It's all about concept. If you don't understand the word problem, we have to go to the basics of what is only two basics. You get only two basics. Basics is for profit percent or loss percent, base is always CP. For discount percent, base is always MP. Everything else is a percentage. Right? That's it. Is everyone okay? Shall I modify this question? You will solve this time? Okay, man. And please, anybody any doubt, please ask me. Anyone, any question, please ask me. So I'll modify this question now. Good, Mudit Maitreya, if you're loving it, enjoying it, good. Let me change it now. If I change the question to this, any question, anyone? Selling at 3/4. Try this question now. Everyone try it now. I change the numbers, that's it. Everyone try please. And ask me any question, any concept. We'll do step by step again.
So how do you multiply fast like 300 into like divided by 0.8? Like how do you multiply fast like that?
Speed maths, na? Speed maths, Vedic maths.
No, I actually forgot how you multiply fast. I mean not multiply, I'm sorry, divide fast.
Divide fast, divide smart maths. So that we discuss in our Vedic maths course. How to divide fast, okay?
Like in this case, like if I'm getting CP is equal to 300 and divided by 0.8, how do I do it? Like, fast.
So see, Mudit or Maitreya, see those basic operation thing will not do here because that you do in your way. How you want to do it, okay?
Okay, sir.
But if you learn whole concept of how we do divide fast, multiply fast, you already attend multiplication, divide also attend Vedic Maths Advanced. Because that will take a lot of time if I explain all the concept of division here, right? That's why.
Yes, sir.
So concept wise, first step, I'll ask you the concept, everybody write in the chat first, okay? One by one. Let's say that certain SP is, you know what, we need 3/4. So I'll use something which is easy for me. So I assume certain SP is 400. I can use any value, guys. That's the advantage in profit and percentage and ratio and also in profit. I can assume any value. Say the SP is 400. Now selling at 3/4. What is 3/4 of 400, everybody? Correct, M1. 3/4 of 400 is 300. So my SP is 300. Okay. Loss. Loss is 20%. Right? If SP I know, Loss I know. Can you find CP? Very easy. SP by loss factor 20%, 0.8. Or 3000 by 8, whatever it is, does not matter. Let's keep it 3000 by 8. Keep it 3000 by 8. Because I am not going to do anything. So CP is 3000 by 8. Now it says my SP has to be 400. And even if you do this, approximately 8, 3, 24, 30, 24, 60, 8, 7, 56, 60, 56, 40, 8, 5. Is it? Right? So my CP is 375. My SP is 400. Is it gain or loss? Right, Siddharth. And Siddharth, that's a good point. If you use golden rule, na, it becomes so easy. It's all in mind then. So profit percent would be difference of two value, 400 minus 375. 25 is the profit. Base will always be CP, no matter what, into 100. Whatever you get, my worry is not that. That's it. Yeah, Shubhi solved it. Some people solved it. 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 37, 35, 5, 5, 15, 15, 6 are 90, 100 by 10, approximately you can say. Otherwise, 6.66. Should be right. That's it. So again, don't worry about calculation part. This part is not important. Important is this. Important is this. Very important is getting this. And very important is the golden rule. The concept. Tomorrow number can change. The concept will not change, right? So tell me, anybody, any question? We are moving to the next type now. Anybody, any question at all? No question? Move on. Very easy question. Let's try this before I move on to more difficult. And everyone should attempt. See, profit loss, there is nothing new except those two rules. Try everyone, please. Okay. Keep solving it. It is very easy question. Yes, Aman. Yes, Siddharth. You're right. Yes, Shubhi. I'll give you 15 seconds more, guys, and I'll solve it very fast. I'll write the things given. By selling, so SP is given as 153. Loss is 10%. If I know SP and loss, I know CP. CP would be 153 by 10% loss, 0.9. Correct? Now, CP is given, gain is given, 20%. Guys, it's always the CP which is important. So, SP would be CP into gain. CP into factor, 20% is 1.2. Done. Hardly 20 or 30 seconds. And most of you have done it, right? Right, Shubhi, Sajna Devi, Daman, everyone. Good, very good. Any confusion? Too easy? Concept wise, we do too easy, right? All in the mind. Let's try another one now. See, if nobody asks any question, I assume everybody is good. Because last 20-30 minutes, we're always going to do question fast and more questions. Higher level. First 20-30 minutes, very slow, very basics, okay? That way, everybody is covered. People who are doing basic, people who are doing higher level. Try everyone, please. Everyone try, please. Goods are sold so that when 4% is taken off the list price. What is the list price means? I explained in the starting. I said there are so many names. Right, Pandya, Shubhi, right. So we know MP is list price. Okay? It say 4% is taken off. What is 4%? Discount is 4%. Yeah, discount is 4%. It says profit is made 20%. We don't know MP. Oh, very, very easy. You will say, oh, sir, it was so easy. Let's say 100. Assume. Why we assume MP? Because discount is given. If say discount is 4%, MP is 100. What would be SP, everybody? Tell me. You will find it so easy. You will say, oh, sir, it was so easy. If MP is 100, discount is 4%. What is SP? Correct. 4% discount gone. 4 rupees gone. SP is 96. Yes or no, everyone? Good. SP is 96. Profit is 20%. SP is 96. Can you find CP or not? CP is 96 by 20% means 1.2. So CP is 1280. CP is 80. Question is how much percent is list price more than the cost price? How much is 100 is more than 80? Percentage more. We are comparing 100 with 80. 100 minus 80, 20. Base would be, we are comparing against the cost price. Question always says that either the concept or the question, they will decide what is the base. And I told you in my percentage, right? 20 by 80, so 25%. So tell me, yes, Pandya, was it difficult? How much percent is list price? List price is this. More than cost price, then the cost price. My base is the cost price. Difference of 180 is 100 minus 80, 20. See how easy it is. Your mind is very clear about concept. Oh, this is my CPSP, this is my MP. Only two parameters, profit loss or discount. The diagram which I made in the starting, that is more than enough to solve any question. Is there any question here? Or shall I move on? Tell me GTG or doubt? And everyone? Let's try next. Try this. You can solve this kind of question also in 15, 20, 30 seconds maximum. Now I'll tell you one thing. You can use 100, you can use 10, you can 20, 40, it does not matter. But whenever some number is given like this specific hard-coded number, use X or Y. Believe me, it is so easy. Say CP is, say, Y. So if 10% gain, what will be SP? If CP is Y and 10% gain, what will be SP, guys? Just tell me this, you'll get it. If cost price is Y and gain is 10%, what would be SP? Correct, 1.1 Y. Right? If 10% loss, what would be SP? You will find it, you will be too happy. You will say, oh sir, it was so easy if we follow color. 0.9 Y. You all know that, right? So if gain is there, this is SP. If loss is there, this is SP. It says, if an item is sold at 10% gain into 10% loss, the seller gets to be 7. The difference is 78. He would have gained 78 more. He would have sold it this rather than this. The difference would be 78. Find the value of Y. That's your answer. Now tell me, was it difficult again? 0.2 Y equal to 78 y equal to 78 by 0.2 or 780 by 2 or 390. So tell me honestly, was it difficult again? Problem is understanding the problems. 10% gain, 10% gain. 10% loss, 10% loss. 78 more. The difference between these two is 78. That's it. Right or wrong? Go through it, take a snapshot, dash your notes, and you can and please ask me questions. In which step, what problem you are facing if you face. I am not telling anything new in terms of different concept. No, only two concepts. Any question? Okay, I'll be modify it. Okay, you do it in the next question. Okay, I'll modify this now. That's the best way to learn. Okay, I'll modify it now and you solve it. If an item is sold at 20% gain, is say rupees 300 more. Can you find out now? I just change the numbers. Concept remains same. Please try everybody fast. Soumya, how shall we do this? Are you there? Soumya, are you there? No. Pratik, how shall we do this? Pratik? Pratik, unmute. Lalita, how shall we do this? Mudit, Maitreya, who want to try?
So it's Mudit.
Mudit, how shall we do this?
So I'll take CP as Y. Then
Let's say CP is Y.
if 20% gain is equal to SP is equal to 1.2Y,
Good.
then if 10% loss, then SP is equal to 0.9Y.
And you know what, Mudit? Mudit or Maitreya?
Mudit.
Mudit, you are doing this question which is higher than your level. Good. So 0.9y. Good. Then what?
1.2Y minus 0.9Y is equal to 300.
Superb. So 0.3y is
Yes.
300. Good, Mudit, you are doing excellent. So y is 300 by 0.3 or it is 9,000. 1,000. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Mudit. I am impressed. Superb. Got it, every? See, guys, Mudit is just in class. Which class, Mudit, are you in?
7th.
Class 7th. So it's all applying simple concepts, nothing else. After it's only the solving it. Got everybody? So why we done like this? We don't know what is the CP. We assume some CP. 20% gain, our concept, 20% up, 1.2. 10% loss, down, 0.9. Difference is 300. That's it. Easy, everyone? Let's try one more. Please ask me very question. Let's try one more question. One second. One-fifth, 1/4, tell me how shall we do this? No Mudit, wait, others let's try. Last question of the day, guys. If 1/5 of the commodity is sold at 25% profit, 1/4 is sold at 30% profit, and the rest at 20% profit, if total profit is rupees 940, what is the value of the commodity? Try everyone, please. Again, I have to see how to solve it is important. How to approach. How you approach this question is important. 1/5 of commodity, 1/4 of commodity, rest. How shall we approach? Who will explain? People who have not tried at all today, who have not spoken at all. Anyone who has spoken today, only that person will solve. Tell me who want to work with me on this? Quickly, very quickly. Mushahid, do you want? Kiran Kumar, do you want? Any one of you who speaks first? Mushahid or Kiran or Mani? Paritosh, any one of you? Ritesh Malik, any one of you? How shall we approach? We'll do together. Let's say commodity value. Shubhi, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
I know you will not say no. Good, Shubhi. See, I four people, nobody is spotted. Shubhi is spotted. Good, Shubhi.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's say commodity value. See, we need 1/5, 1/4, something. We need something which is divisible by 5 and 4 both. So assume some number. 100 is okay?
Yes, sir.
Let's say commodity value is 100, okay?
Yes, sir.
1/5 of 100 is how much?
50.
1/5. 1/5. So 20, right?
20, 20. Yes, sorry.
And 1/4 is 25.
Yes, sir.
So total is 100, 20 is this, 25 is this. What is remaining? 25, 55, right?
55.
So we sold 20 at profit of 25%, right?
Yes, sir.
This we sold at a profit of 30%. And this we sold at a profit of 20%. That's what question says, right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
I just assumed 100 and I just like this, nothing else.
Yes, sir.
So now, if we just calculate the profit, so let me calculate profit here. Or let's do one thing, Shubhi. Let's make it 1,000 so that we don't get decimals. Okay. Put 1,000. Put 1,000.
Okay, sir.
Because you don't get the decimals unnecessarily.
Okay, sir.
Put 0 everywhere. So now tell me.
So there is a lot of noise there.
Yeah, I know. You can mute. I'll self-solve, not a problem.
No, it's
So,
okay.
okay. So 200
Yes,
is the cost. What is 25% of 200? 25% of 200.
50.
50 profit here. Then 30% profit of 250. 30 by 100.
75.
75.
75.
You're getting noise from somewhere else? No, right?
No, sir. So for 550, profit is 110.
Very good. Because 10% is 55, 100 rupees.
Yes, sir.
So how much total profit coming now?
Total profit
110 plus 50 plus 75.
235.
Correct?
235.
You are right.
Yes, sir.
235 is profit. And our value was?
940.
No, our value was
1,000.
Correct? So this is based on what we assumed, right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
So question they say profit was 940.
Yes, sir.
So 940 is 4 times of this.
Yes, sir.
So value also will be 4 times. Or use the unitary method. Unitary method, right? If profit is
Yes.
235, value is 1,000. Profit is 4 times. So value also is 4 times. So 4,000 is answer.
Okay,
Main
sir.
concept is only the find out the profit because they gave the profit this time 940.
Yes,
Get
sir.
the profit. Use any value. If you use 100 also we get 5, 7.5. We get 7.5. That's why I done. Don't do decimal. Do 1,000. Clear, right, everyone? Thank you, Shubhi.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone okay? It's all about calculating
Thank you,
the
sir.
profit. Thank you, Shubhi. They said total profit is. They didn't tell the commodity value. So I assumed some value. Any value which is divisible by 5 and 4. So total value was 1,000. So 1/5 of 1,000 is 200. So 200 rupees value was sold at 25% profit. 250 rupees value was sold at 30% profit. Remaining, how we got remaining? 1,000, you subtract 200 and 250 from the 1,000. 550 value. You sold at 20% profit. That is what question says. 25% of 200. We got all the 3 profits. All the 3 profits are 235. We are getting 235 profit because our value is 1,000. Actual profit is more. So this divided by this 4. So this divided by this 4. So value of commodity would be 4,000. That's it. Is it clear? Ask me question. So guys, I sent you yesterday a lot of assignment, many questions. I'm going to send you for percentage also. I'm going to send you for profit loss discount also. Do lot of practice, and I'm going to solve you slowly going to give you answers also. But first you should try all. Ask me any question, anyone.
So there is no question to ask. It's just too easy.
Thank you. Anybody else? Alok, Heram, Kiran, Salita, all good? Mani, Mushahid, Nangireddy, I believe everybody understanding. See, we have done so much percentage and profit loss. It will give you a lot of advantage when you do problems of profit loss. Nothing else. Believe me, even a cat level question is nothing different. We can use X also, Siddharth. You are right. You can use X also. Instead of 1000, you use X. Only problem with X is it will become equation. You'll say, oh, that's why they're all good. 1/5, 0.2x. 1/4, 0.25x. Remaining 0.55x. Same part. Okay? Exactly same, Siddharth. You are right. We can do that. So that's all then. See you next Sunday. Don't miss any class. Don't come late to any class. See, it's all a linked classes, right? It is not Vedic Maths course I'm doing the 7. It's a long, deep course. See how many problems we solved today, right? It's a 2 hour of quality time. So I suggest don't miss anything and don't come on late. I'm seeing some people are coming late. 17 people came on time. And after that, people came late. So please respect that, okay? Thank you all then. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.